What's up? We have a foldable drone with camera. Let's unzip this bag. And here is a short remix video clip of what you'll see in the video. Now let's start off with unboxing the drone. Let's unfold the arms, checking out the propellers, and it comes with an HD camera. And next is the battery pack, which charges by USB-C, and now the controller with a spring-loaded holder for your cell phone. So you can either use the controller or you can use your phone to fly the drone with these easy controls. All right, next, let's look at the top of the controller, which shows your camera, a video, or photos, or your flight pattern. And next, we show the battery compartment. Next, we're gonna unzip and show all of the stuff that comes for the drone inside of the case. And it seems to be a lot of stuff. So we have 2 battery packs, 3 AAA batteries that comes in the controller, and then some flight instructions for the controller, along with some tips and a manual instruction guide. And then next, let's unpackage this. Let's see what we got in here. We have some extra propellers for each one of the arms, and it comes with 4 screws and a mini screwdriver, so if we need to repair a damage. Then we get some propeller protectors that protect the drone's propellers, and then a USB-C to USB-A charging wire. And then let us check out and put in one of the battery packs that comes also with 2. Let's turn it on. We see some LED flashing lights to let us know that it's on. And now let's put these protectors to protect each one of the propellers or propeller arms. So we have a soft landing when we're coming out of flight. So these just snap in, they hold on really snug, and that's how it looks. Let's go on to the next thing. Let's turn her on, put her in flight. So this is how it looks, how it sounds. Thanks for watching. See you in the next gadget video. Peace.